Okay, so this placemat is called the Regrouping 1s and 10s edition. And so it might be a little confusing, so I'll try to go slowly and explain it. Essentially, it's just another way of having the manipulatives represented on the paper versus having it actually in their hand to play with, which is a great option. So for this activity, you can do addition, subtraction activities, 2 digits by 1 digit up to 20, using manipulatives or use this chart. And so the way you can do this is, if I'm going to add 14 plus 8, we're going to be doing some regrouping, right? Well, I know my 1's right here, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I have 1 rod. Well, the student can then see, well, here's a rod right there. 4 and 8, it makes 12s. It makes 12. This 1 rod can be shifted over there, and so in reality, I've got 2 rods, and then those 2 leftover units. Something as simple as that. Let's try one more. So again, I can do 19 plus 8. So we know that each place value can have up to a digit of 9, but once you get to 10, it regroups over, so it's another visual representation of those rods. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that leaves 7 right there, and this new rod is shifted over here. That's 1 rod and 2 rods, just like that.